Hi.
These could make good pets. Where does the Silkie Chicken come from?
China.
China.
They weren't recognized by the American Poultry Association until the 1870s. It's an old Chinese chicken.
Fun facts about some Silkies are they have black skin, 5 toes, as you may be able to see there, and then they also have blue ears. If you can see those. The reason 5 toes is significant is because most chickens normally have 4. Just the more traditional chicken feet.
Silkies come in a variety of different colors. There's white, chocolate. The ones we have right here, Dewey and his 2 girls right here are red piles, and that's just the red and the white coloration is what it's called. These are red pile Silkies, and this guy right here doesn't like being held. He's chocolate. That's not his name, that's his color. He gone. Magic. Silkies lay a brown egg, a tinted egg, potato, it's brown.
Not white.
Not white.
Off white.
Off white. These chickens do best kept in a coop. Their pretty little fluffy head right there keeps them from seeing predators such as hawks and crows, and what else eats them? Zookeeper.
Raccoon, pretty much anything I can get a hold of them.
Anything. Yeah, I don't know where we're going with that. We messed it up. In these tough times, you need to replace your designer dog with your personal chicken. Stylish and productive. Not to get political, but it's funny the chicken that looks like Donald Trump came from China.
Who needs a parrot when you got a Silkie?